Hi everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Today I would like to share with you my little garden here from the side of my house, and here we are trying to pick some fruits just to enjoy and hang out. Here is Goumi fruit, Iliadis multiflora. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly, and please do not ask me to pronounce it the second time. It is very tongue-twisted word, very long and hard to pronounce, kind of. Here we have some gummy fruit, and this is pretty pretty good actually, pretty fruity once it's nice and ripe. It's kind of jelly-ish inside, the texture, but it's not gummy. It's just kind of jelly-ish. I can't really describe it, but it's pretty sweet once it's ripened and the tart kind of disappear. But if you eat it like when it's still yellow, when it's not ripened, the tartiness is still there. So just wait until it's kind of dark red, and that is when it's ready to be eaten. And sorry about that, I did not show the fruit up close, but it's kind of has these silver like dots all over. And if you look at the leaf in the back, it's kind of silver with the dots all over. So the fruits, it's kind of like that too. Here you just kind of see like it's red, but if you look closer, it has all these texture dots all around, which is pretty interesting. I do have a different version of this, but it's bigger and longer, and I found this online. Not this small variety, but the bigger variety of this in Vietnam, north of Vietnam, and it probably in the same family, but they said it's sour. This is sweet, so I like this sweet side of things. Sour, yes, but not straight sour like lemon. When it comes to fruits, of course, these fruits do tend to have seeds in the middle, but it's very fun to eat. You just grab a handful, throw it in your mouth, and it's pretty nice snack. Here is some of my blueberries. I finally got some around spring or the end of spring, and I got my daughter tried to grab some of them, and I told her to put it in the basket just so we can snack on it later. Of course, we have to wash it first. So she's basically having so much fun going around and picking some fruits just to give her some memories of her childhood at the moment. I should say creating memories for her. So she is enjoying herself, just picking the fruits, and hopefully one of these days she can come back and check out these videos and see how cute she is. It does tend to take up a lot of water just because it's in a pot, and pots do tend to dry up fast, and because it's above ground, so you have to water it a lot. The water do drain out, which is a good thing because you don't want water to stay in the bucket because it can cause mold. And we have plenty of blueberries this year, which is nice. So we're just picking the fruits. And she likes to try them on the spot, of course. So I'm just collecting all these fruits all at once. Here is some of my chickens. Here's my mulberry, Pakistan mulberry. I didn't get much this year. I keep trimming them down, all the leaves. I don't want it to get too overwhelming. It tends to grow really, really fast, like 7 to 8 feet every few months. So you really have to trim them down. I believe I had to trim like 3 or 4 times in a year. And it doesn't take a lot of maintenance. Here is some of my blackberries. This is Prime Arc Freedom, one of the biggest fruit that gives 2 seasons of fruit. I'm gonna trim this down after the season's over, which is spring, because it is taking over one of my tree and pushing it forward, which might break. It tends to get really, really heavy, the vines. But it's so nice just to have it around, having so much fruit, so much fun. My brother comes over and he likes to pick them. I mean, you know, who doesn't, right? It's just so much fun just having organic, fresh fruits at your house so the kids can enjoy. Sometime when it's in season, the kids just sick of it because they have so much that, you know, we just have to let it go and let it drop because we just have so much of it. And of course the dark parts, the dark fruits are much sweeter and juicier than the one that's still red. And you can tell by just squeezing it, some of them are still hard. Here you can see some sunburn on the fruits, which is fine, they're still sweet. I used to cover the vines with nets, fruit nets, because the birds will get to it before me. And right now the vines just overgrow the fruit nets. Here you can see my egg fruit, yellow sapote. It's pretty good. I just realized there's 2. These are so delicious, so healthy for you. It's basically superfood food. It gives you so much energy. And especially, when you pick them with your family, your kids, it's just so much fun for them, and they tend to like that as well. So here I am getting so much fruits.
Good girl.